Hey there everyone! Have you ever wanted to create a talking AI avatar that looks professional, engaging, and futuristic? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your very own AI avatar for free using Synthesia.io. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone curious about AI, this video is packed with tips and tricks you don't want to miss. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Understanding Synthesia.io. It's a super cool platform that lets you create talking avatars without needing fancy equipment or video editing skills. Plus, they have a free plan to get started, perfect for beginners. So let's head over to Synthesia.io. Step 2. Signing up for free. Okay, once you're on the website, click the sign up free button. You'll need to enter your email, create a password, and verify your account. It's that simple. Step 3. Choosing your AI avatar. After logging in, you'll see a selection of avatars to choose from. Synthesia offers pre-designed avatars that look amazing. Pick one that fits your style or audience. Step 4. Writing your script. Next up, it's time to bring your avatar to life with a script. Just type or paste your text in the script editor. Keep it concise and engaging, like this. You get the idea. Step 5. Customizing voice and language. Now here's the fun part. Choosing your avatar's voice. Synthesia offers dozens of languages and voice styles. Want a British accent or maybe something energetic? You've got options. Select what works best for your audience. Step 6. Generating the video. Once your script and voice are ready, click the Generate Video button. It may take a few minutes, but Synthesia will create a professional talking avatar video for you automatically. Step 7. Downloading and sharing your AI avatar video. After your video is ready, download it and share it wherever you want. YouTube, Instagram, or even your website. It's a game changer for content creation. And that's it. Creating a talking AI avatar for free using Synthesia. IO is super simple and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Let me know. What will you create with your new AI avatar? I can't wait to hear your ideas. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.